Hi, let's talk about where we're headed with this primary literature project. So the goal of the project is to create a poster on an article that you choose, which you're going to present at the end of the semester during a poster session. However, jumping straight into making the poster would be really hard for a lot of us new biology students, so I've broken up this project into many parts. That said, before you get started on the first parts of the poster project, I think it will be immensely helpful to know where we're headed, so I want to give you an idea of what this poster project is going to look like. We will have a poster session at the end of the semester. I actually didn't come up with this idea necessarily. This is something that is done at all research conferences. There are research conferences all over the world for every topic you can imagine. The first conference I presented at was the International Plant Health Conference, and thousands of people attended this multi-day event. These conferences are awesome for networking and meeting other scientists, but more importantly, for learning about all new and soon-to-be published research in the field. The thing is, with sometimes thousands of people in attendance, you can't expect every researcher that wants to present their research to do so in person. Even if they only had 5-minute talks, the conference would literally never end. So, a way to get around it is to have these really big poster sessions. How does the poster session work? Well, researchers create a poster to display information about their recent experiment or study and stand next to it for all of or part of the poster session. Attendees and other researchers can move about freely from poster to poster and ask the presenters questions about their research. We're going to create small poster-style presentations. Eventually, you're going to pick a primary literature research article and, in a way, kind of pretend like you were the one that did the research because you're going to present it. After finding a primary literature paper and getting it approved for the project, you'll eventually start working on your poster presentation. Even though we'll be doing a classic presentation for this online class, I still call it the poster session for two reasons. One, for an in-person class, you could simply print out the pages of your PowerPoint, tape them together, and call it a poster. And yes, that is what I do for in-person classes. And two, following that logic, each page of the presentation will be a key section of a typical poster. For example, the introduction, results, or discussion sections are all essential poster elements. If you plan to do any research in your future academic or professional career, this project will help you develop necessary skills for presenting your work. I think it's going to be really fun, and thanks for tuning in and just seeing what this project's all about.